In this video, we'll show you what to do if the incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy phones are going straight to voicemail. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here tap on notifications. Now in this menu, tap on do not disturb. Now make sure the do not disturb mode is disabled. Additionally, make sure you haven't enabled any other similar mode on your Samsung phone from this menu. Next, you need to go back to the main settings page and then tap on connections. Now here you should see this airplane mode option. Simply turn it on. Now wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it off. This will refresh your phone's network connection and hopefully solve any problems. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is go to the phone app. Now tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and then select settings. Now in this menu, you will need to tap on block numbers. Here make sure that the block calls from unknown numbers is turned off. Additionally, make sure you haven't accidentally blocked an important number or contact on your Samsung phone. Simply tap the minus icon next to it to unblock them. Now go back to the previous menu. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Now in this menu, you will first need to tap on call forwarding. Now tap on voice calls. Now make sure you haven't set any call forwarding numbers here. If you have, simply tap on it and then remove the numbers from here. Now go back to the previous menu. Now here you should see this call bearing option. Simply tap on it. Now go to voice calls again. Now here make sure that both the toggles under incoming calls are disabled. So all incoming calls and all incoming calls when roaming are turned off. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to head back to the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on this reset option at the bottom. Now in this menu, you will need to tap on this reset mobile network settings option and finally hit reset settings to confirm. Once you do this, you should be able to receive calls as usual. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.